Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have an offer, this stunning 1962 Jaguar E-Type 3.8 liter coupe. It's finished in British racing green with a biscuit interior. It's fitted with a 5-speed transmission, chrome wire wheels, and it's a matching numbers car. We do have the original 4-speed gearbox that the 5-speed replaced. So it's considered a full matching number car. I think it's coupe number 1349. So it's a fairly early 62. Quite desirable car, full matching numbers. And we purchased this car recently from a back east seller. He purchased the car in 1988. So he's quite a long-term owner of the car. In 2007, he had the car completely nut and bolt, fully restored. The car was stripped all the way down to the monocoque. The front subframes came off. The car came completely apart, and they did a ground-up restoration on the car. So the car was returned to him in 2007, 2008. It's only accrued 1,800 miles since, and he was older, and he just found himself not using the car as much as he thought he would at this time in his life. So we ended up purchasing the car. We've given it a very good detail front to back, and it's a stunning car. It's a really lovely, lovely car. So full matching numbers, British racing green biscuit. Originally it started life as a cream with a black interior car. It was for personal export delivery through Henleys of London, and eventually made its way to the United States. Got titled here in 1963, but the build date on the car is around June of 1962. So let me show you the car here. It's quite nice, very, very nice restoration. It was all carried out by specialists, so mechanically it was done by a specialist. Biscuit trim. I think this is a BAS quality trim kit. Original steering wheel, which is nice. Original early Roadster seats, which are correct for the car. The early coupes had the slim seats like the Roadsters because they hadn't built the later coupe seat yet. So it does have those early style seats. Trim's all brand new. So trim kit's beautiful. All correct materials, correct moquette, Hardura, wool carpets, leather. Lovely car. 3-piece dash, that's all new. All the aluminum dash. Door glass is new, windshield's new, all the rubber's new, chrome's new. Show quality body and paint. Stunning car to look at. Dayton wire wheels, fitted with Vredestein tires. Yeah, to do one of these cars today, you're going to take it to a specialist. You're probably going to spend $150,000 to $175,000. So this car's extremely good value for what's been done to it. And you know, you have to also consider the price of a good donor car, a good 3.8 liter coupe that's matching numbers. That's going to set you back probably in this market 40 grand, maybe 50. So IRS unit was completely done. New exhaust system. I just took it for a drive, and it's it's pretty faultless driving, especially with that 5-speed gearbox. It's lovely. So it's fitted with Wilwood front calipers, which is an easy reverse if you want to go back to the Dunlops. But these 3/8 braking systems really need a little bit more help. So it's fitted with those really powerful 4-pot front calipers. I'll show you the engine compartment here. But yeah, early 3.8 liter coupe in great colors. British Racing green, biscuit trim. It's probably your crowd pleaser color scheme on these cars. Gunmetal red is another really good color. So in here you can see the back of the bonnet. It's really lovely and straight. It's really beautiful, straight, clean bonnet. No bangs or accidents up front there. Nicely, correctly undercoated here on the wheel wells. So correct matching numbers engine. The data plate's brand new. That's been re-stamped. Usually the originals get really corroded since they're aluminum, so that's a re-stamp. And then also the picture frame was replaced. And they put the chassis number back on the picture frame. But I've got some good documents to this car. I've got documents all the way back to the 70s showing oil changes and service work. So there's an impressive array of documentation for this car showing the full restoration, you know, body paint, the car being assembled. Upgraded brand new aluminum radiator. These cars originally were fitted with early aluminum radiators, but this has been upgraded with a newer one, which is a great idea. So it runs really cool. There's no issues with the car running at the right temperature. If you wanted to enter it into shows in JCNA, it probably needs a little bit more detailing under the hood or some slighter fine tuning as far as just correctness, you know, maybe a few clamps here and things like that. You know, replacing things with the Cheney clamps. But lovely, lovely, lovely car overall. Very hard to build a car this day in this market. The price of building these cars is just going through the roof. You can see all the nice detailing down here. Engine starts, runs beautifully, great oil pressure, 5-speed transmission. So let me just shut this hood. There's a glimpse down the bonnet there. Stunning car. Great E-Type if you're looking for one for your car collection. Really lovely, no excuses. Full matching number, Series 1 E-Type Coupe, 3.8 liter, British Racing green with biscuit trim, upgraded with a 5-speed and Wilwood calipers, but still retaining its original transmission. And it's for sale right now on our website. Lovely car to have in inventory here. Our website is www.kurttannermotorcars.com, and it's here available for viewing.